Hello friends, we are going to learn about how to create thumbnail in Canva. First of all, we are going to log in our personal account in Canva. Very simple and easy procedure. Then we are going to select YouTube thumbnail. If you want to use some thumbnails, here are the options given, and you can simply customize your own in an easy way. You can choose some thumbnail without pro. Here are some examples, and we can get this. Simply we can change, just remove this picture and add some element in it. Like this, you can add according to your taste, and you can also change the caption, the thumbnail which you want to create. Simply remove them, make it bigger, change its color to make it more visible. You can add any customization in it because Canva is very user friendly. And this is a very simple, pretty design. You can also save it from here, download your file, suggested as PNG format. I want to use JPEG, and then download your thumbnail. Especially I create this for YouTube. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.